Here we go, right? Kirsten, you look beautiful. David, thanks for getting here on time.
Funny how the distance makes it feel like you're right here. I never thought I'd be the one to say that I can feel your presence with me though you're not around. I'm carrying you with me anyway. And you say you are not alone in this world. You are not alone. Every now and then the missing you gets hard to bear.
David, from this day forward, I promise you these things. I will laugh with you in times of joy and comfort you in times of sorrow.
I will share in your dreams and support you as you strive to achieve your goals. I will listen to you with compassion and understanding, and speak to you with encouragement. I will remain faithful to our vows, for better or for worse, in sickness, in times of sickness and health.
You're my best friend, and I'll love you always. I say all these things believing that God is in the midst of us.
I now pronounce you man and wife. And you may kiss the bride.
Kirsten, I've known you my whole life, obviously, and in that time I've learned that you are a very ambitious, sweet spirit, passionate to know Christ on a deeper level, and just very, very strong in what you believe. And when David entered your life, a whole other side of you came to life. So, David, you have become a light in Kirsten's life, and through that you have sparked laughter, love, and so much confidence in her. Pretty guy. So I'm so honored to call myself Kirsten's little sister, because she really is my best friend. He was leaving me for a boy, but that's okay. So I want to propose a toast to my best friend and her second best friend after me, to David and Kirsten.